we're here on Jewel of the Dragon. We got a double bonus.
All right, let's gamble.
All right, we got the Dragon Train bonus here on Dragon Train. $1.25 nickels. We got the Dragon Train. Let's see what happens. Oh, we got the miner for $250. Come on. Don't die on us. Keep it alive. Yes. Come on, keep it alive. Yes, keep it going. I assume that 15 would count with the Dragon Train in there. Alright, come on, keep it alive. Oh, alright, we're going into the Dragon Train. Yeah, alright, let's fill this up. That would be 1,014. Come on, big numbers. Uh-oh, well, we need something. Oh no, are you serious? Oh, thank God. Oh, that was a good one. Yeah. Oh my God, that was $125 right there. Come on, more. Yes. Come on, let's just fill it up for 1,000. There's the fortune jackpot. That's if we fill this one up. Come on, land it. Uh-oh, last spin. Come on. Oh, that was good though. Very good. Yes, Dragon Train. Woo. Awesome. That was the Dragon Train ball. Oh, that's awesome. I literally put $40 in here. Got a couple of line hits and then got that bonus. That was amazing. $477. We're gonna let that count up. All right, $477.50. Let's just do a couple more spins. See if we can get anything else. Oh, come on, bonus. Let's put it on 10 cents. And we'll do 250 bets down to 500. See if it does anything. Okay, come on. Come on, free games. And one more spin. Oh, all right. Let's do a penny. We'll do 100 lines. We'll do a dollar bet to even her out at 500. And we're gonna cash that out. All right, we're here on Jewel of the Dragon. We got a double bonus, $1.20 bet. Put 40 in. See what happens. We already got a mini and a 20. Oh, another 20. Oh my God. Come on, keep coming with those big numbers. Yes, another 20. Oh my God, this is good for $1.20. Oh, another 10. Come on, let's not leave this empty. Oh. Alright, so we'll be playing for that mini 5 and 4. $19. So far we won 126. Oh, you know, I love this game. Here we go. Come on, lots of minis. Open it up. Yes! It's 30 bucks. I am not hitting that button. Come on, do it again. Yes. Alright, so far we got 166. Okay, I only got one game. This went by real quick for me. Yes. Very good. That was good. That was a fantastic double bonus. Usually I get screwed on the double bonuses, but that was good. Let's raise it up to my favorite $1.80 for a couple of spins. Never know. Come on, two more. Oh. All right, let's do one at $1.20, and we'll call it good. We can do one more. Awesome, that was a great double bonus. We can do a 60. Oh, all right. That was Jewel of the Dragon. Look at what I want to get. Another maxed out major for 1,000. I cannot believe this is number 6. Is that going to be it? All right, keep it alive. Come on. Keep it alive with something here. Oh, fantastic. This is awesome. That was right after my double bonus, too. That is number 6. Fantastic. All right. I cannot believe it. It did not trigger. Yeah, I landed it right before I got that second to last ball. Unbelievable. And I wasn't even recording. Let's see what that will reset to. That was awesome. I'm speechless. Now we got to do a $6 bet. That's major number 6, by the way. Oh, it reset back to 1,000. Oh, we'll do some $6 to 1,000. Let's try some dollar denom. $30 on that spin. All right. Come on. Oh, it showed up again. Yes. Get a whole stack of these too. Open it. Okay, we'll play it to 1200. Let's try some pennies. Actually, let's do 10 cents. Come on. Oh, man. Okay, it's a $3 last bet. I guess we could do a 60 center. All right, that's Jewel of the Dragon.